Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to go over my winter Walmart beauty box. If you're not familiar, it is a subscription box that you get every quarter. They provide you with some full-size products, some sample products, all things that you can find at Walmart. I have found some amazing products. For less than $7, you get it every quarter and it's just fun. This is not a sponsored video. I just like to share, and of course I'll have all the information you may wish to know about the Walmart beauty box in the description box, as well as everything that is on my face. Some may be affiliate links, so I may make a small commission if you use them, and if you do, I want to thank you for supporting me and my channel. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. This makeup look you are going to see on Monday. I filmed this look first, and now I'm doing this, but you're gonna see this video first, if that makes sense. I cheated, looked inside the box. I do not have any makeup that I'm going to apply to my face today, but there's still some goodies, so let's chat about them. When you open the box, there's tissue paper protecting the products, and there's a little card inside that tells you about the products that you may have received in your box. It's got the product, a description, the retail price, and there's also a QR code if you want to look up each of the products. And there's a little question mark down here at the bottom because sometimes you get a product that's not on the card. It says on the card, it's self-care season. Once that chill starts to set in, it's time to give yourself some extra TLC. Keep glowing all season long with must-have skin, hair, and nail picks. I actually got 2 makeup type items that I already have, so I'm going to be setting those aside for a future giveaway. The first one is the Covergirl Perfect Point Plus Ink Gel Eyeliner in black. The full size is $6.98. I own this. I recently did a Covergirl video, and this one I do enjoy. I don't love it on my waterline, but to line on the outside, it does a great job. It doesn't seem to run. It's a nice option from Covergirl. The next item is this e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Exfoliator. This is in the variation Brown Sugar. I also own this one. It's nice. It's got a gritty texture. You rub it on your lips and then you wipe it off and your lips are gently exfoliated and they taste delicious. This one happens to taste like brown sugar. I had a hard time linking this on Walmart's website, so I actually linked it on Amazon, but I'm sure if you went into Walmart, you would find it as well. But this is a nice one. I'll set it aside for a giveaway. The next item that I got is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. This is a baby, but Aveeno is a fantastic product. Instantly nourishes dry skin. I've gotten these before from my Walmart beauty box, and these are great for travel. Or if you've never tried this product from Aveeno, this is a great way to test it out, see if you like it, but it's truly very nice. I used all Aveeno products when my babies were little because they're super moisturizing and usually fragrance free. The full size of this one is $8.98. Next, I have this EOS Shea Butter Ultra Derm Hand Cream. It is in the variation Vanilla Cashmere. Our sweet and warm vanilla cashmere hand cream captures the warmth of whipped vanilla, the softness of musk, and the coziness of caramel for a rich, luxurious fragrance with a sensual twist. Our Shea Butter Ultra Derm Hand Cream is all around awesome, delivering 24-hour hydration, brings together the superpowers of lightweight shea oil and ultra-rich shea butter for both immediate moisture and lasting protection that even lasts through hand washing. Sounds lovely. I have very dry skin on my hands. I've been putting castor oil on my hands before I go to bed. 2.5 ounces is the full size, and it's $9.99. Go ahead and put a little on my hand. I really, really like the scent. I'll let you know if it irritates my hands because some fragranced hand creams really, really upset my skin. I rub my hands funny because I don't like my bottom of my hands to be too moist. This is soaking right into the skin. I do not feel oily at all. I love that scent. It is a soft, exactly how they describe it. It's a soft, warm vanilla. Love, love, love. Thank you. And the last product is this Tangle Teezer brush. Retails for $12.97. I was reading online and it said that it's TikTok viral. Have you seen TikTok videos about this? Say goodbye to the hassle of tangled locks with the essential detangler. Straight to curly hair, pink, engineered with patented two-tiered teeth technology. This innovative hairbrush skillfully separates strands with no pulling, tugging, or snagging, providing a pain-free experience. The carefully designed long teeth tackle knots, while the shorter ones smooth out frizz and flyaways, leaving your hair looking sleek and healthy. The Essential Detangler's slim, ergonomically designed handle ensures a comfortable grip whether you're maneuvering through wet or dry hair. Loved by 93% of consumers for its effectiveness, this brush also works wonders when used with conditioning treatments, whether your hair is booger straight or beautifully curly. This is what it looks like. Very lightweight. I do like how your hand fits into it. And of course, yesterday my hair was straight. Today it is curly. So I will for sure play with this and see how I feel about it. I just watched a video. I was doing a little bit of research on this and I saw Mains by Mel. She was using this in comparison with another brush that she loved, but it looked really, really nice when she did her curly hair with it. And I'm assuming it would work nice when I blow out my hair as well. The bristles feel like a medium texture, and you can see that there are like 2 different levels. Let me know if you have this, if you like it. I'm excited to play with it. That is my complete box, but if you look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 full-sized items and 1 sample for $6.98. That is amazing. Definitely got my money's worth. Yes, a couple of these are going to be giveaways, but that's nice too. I'm going to be hitting my 4,000 watch hours goal very soon. Thank you to those who said that they would help by watching some more videos. I've reached my subscribers, but I haven't reached my watch hours to be officially monetized through YouTube. So if you want to help me out, watch another couple videos after this one. But if you don't have time, that's okay. I appreciate you being here right now. I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Do you get the Walmart Beauty Box? I'd never even heard of it until I saw a video, and I jumped right on and got it for myself. No regrets. I am loving it. It is a fun surprise that doesn't break the bank. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you in the next one.